guys, what is up? What's going on? I'm out here with my friend Alex. His YouTube channel is at TheCarCreative. You guys saw he produced the video of the unveiling when I picked up my 2020 Tacoma. Bit of a bittersweet day today because his Tacoma's gonna be going goodbye, but we're out here shooting this evening. It's super nice, like 20 degrees out, to kind of get some last shots in before it goes. We're just having some fun. We're basically just messing around with like the drone, GoPros. We both have Sony A7 IIIs. It's pretty awesome. So we're just out here in this like really cool spot. Shot some photos up there. Flew some drones down there. It's been pretty sweet.